Okay, so we're gonna start by removing the seat so we can access the bolt that's connected to the tank. Let's remove the seat bolt. I'm gonna keep that safe in my new leg bag. That's it. That's the easy part. Next, we're going to remove this cap so we can put our socket wrench there and an Allen wrench on the other side. This will make our job a lot easier. So we're going to pull on that and after it's loose, you just take that out and make sure you keep them together. Sometimes you say that you'll remember how it was set up and then you eventually forget. Anyway, so we're gonna remove the old tank lift. We're gonna start on this side. Again, we're gonna remove that cap, Allen wrench, and actually, I don't think this is it's not a good view. 1 second. Here we go, better view. Same drill, use an Allen wrench on the other side, and we're gonna loosen that up. Now let's go to the other side and take that gigantic, I think it's called a shoulder bolt, out of there. Ew. Okay, keep them safe together. Now this is my new tank lift from Cold Work, and we're gonna replace the old one that I have with this one. I think it has a little more character. As you can see here, I have plenty of space to access the inner part of where the riser was. This one was pretty old and you can tell it's all rusty. But anyway, just do it on both sides. For this next part, I don't know why I did it, but I did it. I took off that plastic and then I was stuck trying to remove the glue. It didn't work with soap and water, so I went to get some acetone and it was perfect. It worked like magic. I like it. Okay, this part is actually not that hard, but it was tricky for me. I just had a hard time with the screw because it's very short and the washer and the nut were not staying still. But once you're done with that side, you're gonna move to the right and insert that shoulder bolt that we were talking about before. And let me see, you're gonna wiggle it a little and it will come out the other side. Just like that. Wait, that's actually too long. So I had to stop for a while because I ended up with that setup and I wasn't very happy about it. So you can see on this side, it's the same thing. It has spacers. So I ordered the right size bolt from Lowbro Customs, and I'm going to replace that bolt. I did the exact same thing. I just replaced the bolt with a shorter one and I'm tightening it up. As you can see, it looks much better. Okay, I really love this setup. Now, I'm gonna put this little guy back on there, more black, yes. And the other side, that's how it looks here. Perfect. Now I'm just going to take care of the seat. So we're gonna come back here and secure the tank back to where the seat goes. Fairly easy. Put this back in there. Sorry, the cats in my neighborhood like to sit on my bike. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back on. That was it. I really like how it looks. I'll take before and after photos, show them to you. Thank you for keeping up with me. I'll keep posting more mods, and the bike back there is a Honda Rebel. I also have some parts for that, and I'm really looking forward to doing it all by myself. Thank you.